In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Add to Wishlist button in WooCommerce. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are multiple ways to remove the Add to Wishlist button in WooCommerce. This is all going to depend on if you are using a specific plugin that gives you the toggle, or depending on how you are doing this, you might want to use custom CSS. So using plugin settings is by far the most common and easiest way to get this done. So most WooCommerce wishlist features are provided by a dedicated plugin. For example, the YITH WooCommerce wishlist, TI WooCommerce wishlist, WC Boost, and so on. So the simplest way is going to be to identify the specific plugin that is creating the wishlist and disable it altogether. So in this example here, you would go over to Appearance, go to Widgets, find a specific plugin. So here it is going to be the YITH, and then you can disable or enable various different options related to the wishlist. You can make it not show the link, can make it go away altogether, and the wishlist will simply be gone from the header or any other page. And of course, you can also find settings for that specific plugin and disable them altogether. Show, Add to Wishlist, and then you just disable it from here. Now, like I said before, if you cannot find options related to your specific plugin that you are using, or your specific plugin does not provide a feature to disable them, then you will most likely have to use custom CSS and some lines of code. So lines like these, where they refer to a specific plugin. So for example, Add to Wishlist is going to be disabled, or you find the specific wishlist class or ID, and you set the display to none. By setting the display to none, it will essentially be gone from any page. So all that you have to do is choose one of these options. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Add to Wishlist button in WooCommerce. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.